Today, we're diving into a heart-wrenching story that has sparked national outrage and left many questioning the justice system. The case of Marcellus Williams, a man executed by the state of Missouri despite strong claims of innocence. Marcellus Williams was convicted in 2001 for the 1998 murder of Leisha Gale, a former reporter for the St. Louis Post-Dispatch. His conviction was largely based on the testimony of a jailhouse informant who claimed Williams confessed to the crime. But here's the kicker. No physical evidence ever linked Williams to the crime scene. In fact, DNA evidence pointed to an unknown male. Despite this, Missouri Governor Mike Parson and the Missouri Supreme Court denied Williams' appeals. They chose to ignore the lack of DNA evidence and pleas for clemency from various parties, including the victim's own family. Williams' attorney expressed outrage, saying the state had committed a grave injustice. His son went even further, calling it murder. The execution has drawn widespread condemnation. The NAACP and Black Lives Matter accused Governor Parson of ignoring evidence and perpetuating violence against black people. Congresswoman Cori criticized the governor for disregarding pleas for clemency, saying the execution demonstrated a selective application of justice. Williams's case saw numerous appeals and stays of execution over the years. His execution was halted twice for further DNA testing. A prosecutor involved in the case even called for the execution to be stopped, citing the lack of DNA evidence. Yet, despite all these red flags, the state proceeded with the execution. Williams' case is not an isolated incident. His execution occurred within a larger national context of ongoing debate surrounding the death penalty in the United States. Just to put things in perspective, his execution coincided with another in Texas, marking the 16th execution nationwide in 2023. This case highlights the complexities and controversies surrounding capital punishment, especially in cases with questionable evidence and claims of innocence. The use of lethal injection, the most common method of execution in the U.S., also came under scrutiny. The execution of Marcellus Williams adds fuel to the fire in the national conversation about the death penalty. It raises questions about its morality, fairness, and the potential for irreversible error. Critics argue that the death penalty is a flawed system that can lead to the ultimate injustice, the execution of an innocent person. So, what does this mean for the future of capital punishment in the United States? Williams' case is a stark reminder of the system's fallibility and the irreversible consequences of its application. As more cases like this come to light, the debate over the death penalty is sure to continue, pushing us to reevaluate the morality and fairness of this ultimate form of punishment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more true crime stories. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe.